Hey guys, I'm packing. They won't let you come in here if you ain't, and they start asking me some other stuff, a vest and a pack, that. Okay, yeah, we on remote location over here because it's getting kind of hot. It's getting kind of hot in the kitchen. And who knows, this might be our next delivery vehicle. Our next document delivery vehicle. Delivering those power documents. I didn't say be. Okay, all right. I'm supposed to talk about those things. Let's stay focused, coach. Okay, so the next workshop that we're doing is going to teach you guys how to crush the Rule 12B dismissal. The Rule 12B dismissal is not affirmative defense. We're going to teach you why, how it, why, and we're going to show you the outline that we use to structure a set of documents that you need to address that situation. And bam, we bring more power to the table. And if your stuff got dismissed by a judge, then we're going to have 10 people call me to register for your seat. And then if we get full, when we're full, we're going to start filling the class for next week. Okay, we'll have 1 week, 2 weeks, whatever we need to do. Because this is huge right here. This is a huger right here. Okay, Rule 12B. Once you learn this Rule 12B crap, and then the Rooker-Feldman doctrine, we already talked about that. Search the YouTube channel, use it for legal research stuff, and then there's another doctrine similar to the Rooker-Feldman, both misapplied. We're going to talk about whatever they use to throw your shit out and teach you. You're going to see how easy it is and what we learn how to handle this situation. So that's going to be in the Rule 12B workshop. You can go to the website at winningcourtnow.com or click on the link down below and go to the product page. And then you can make your investment and read all that stuff. And then we're going to keep all the information in Information Center, which is another page. And you'll get a code for that page. When you get there, you'll be able to see all of the stuff, the free resources that we're going to provide, and any other things that come up. And that's how that's going to work. Now, thank you guys for the value you're sharing your time.